What's up guys, welcome to Rock Chucks, and today I'm gonna share with you my ride. Simula ulit.
Sige.
Nahirap pala maging artista.
Sige.
Nahirap pala maging artista.
Sige.
So, here's the Commencal Clash 2021. Dirt in color. It comes with 170 mils of rear travel and 180 mils fork. This 27.5 bike. Enduro free ride. Alright, to start with my suspension, I'm using Marzocchi Bomber with a Sprindex coil, adjustable spring rate. This one is 170 mils of travel, and for the fork is the Fox 38 180 mils Grip 2 damper 27.5 Kashima factory. And what else? For the dropper post, I'm using PNW Rainier 3 150 mils of travel. And what else? For the wheel set, I have a Hope Pro 4 front and rear with DT Swiss M452 rims. And then what else? For the drivetrain, I'm with Shimano XT, and pedals. What's this? Crank Brothers Mallet DH. For the cockpit, I'm using my old rental stem, 35 mils clamping, 40 mils of length, and Title MTV. For the handlebars, love the box whip. And the Bertec grips. For the brake set, I'm using XTR 4 pucks for that extra power. And yeah, I think that's it.
Alright.
Okay, if you haven't clicked the like button, please help to click, and don't forget to subscribe to Rock Chucks channel.